What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th video of your database tutorials, and in this video it's all about table types. So without further ado, let's start writing out the table types for the scenario that we did in a couple of videos before about the music and the media society scenario. So let's write down the table types. Okay, the primary key will be underlined, so I'll just write down top. Not working. That will be underlined, okay? And the foreign key will be in bold, so technically this should be in bold. Okay. So song ID, that's the primary key, so we underline that. And then we have the lyrics or the title, lyrics, and the score. That's done. Score is just musical notes. The next one is the album. Album ID. That should be underlined because that's a primary key. A primary key is to uniquely identify a record in the table, so it's a unique identifier. Alright, the title, first released, first label, front cover image, and the cover story. Now recording. Needs a recording ID. Song ID. This should be in bold because it's a foreign key, and the foreign key is a field in the table that is a primary key in another table. Okay. Alright, start date, audio source, the duration, and the data size. The next one is track. The foreign key is album ID. Should be bold. This should be underlined. Recording ID should be underlined and should be bold. It's a primary key and a foreign key. Underline that. Next, CD number. And your track number. Okay, that's what we have constructed using our scenario that we did in a couple of tutorials back. In the next tutorial, I will now be constructing the whole database, showing you what goes where. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.